से ना रुके हम, मर्जी से चले हम, बादल सा गरजे हम, सावन सा बरसे हम, सूरज सा चमके हम, स्कूल चले हम।
We are the students of Nivira English School. We are studying in grade 10. We belong to group CB Raman. We are going to perform maths activity, and our aim is to verify the given sequence is arithmetic progression by paper cutting and pasting method. So materials required are color papers, glue, scale, graph paper, scissors, etc. So for this activity we need to know about what is an arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression is a list of number in which the term is obtained by adding the fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. So here A means first term and D is a common difference between them. So we can obtain second term by adding D to the first term, that is A plus D. We can obtain third term by adding D to the second term, that is we will get A plus 2D. We can obtain fourth term by adding D to the third term, that is A plus 3D. In similar way we can obtain the n term by formula A plus n minus 1 into D. We have seen this mathematically, and now we will look at graphically. So here is an example to verify whether this sequence 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is an arithmetic progression or not. In this here width difference is only 1 and their length is different. It has length 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. We can see that between these two terms there is difference of 2 centimeter. Between these two successive strips there is difference of 2 centimeter, and between these two strips there is difference of 2 centimeter, and in similar way between these three strips there is difference of 2 centimeter. And so we will get that common difference is 2 centimeter, and from this we can say that this sequence 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11 is an example of arithmetic progression. Now we will see another example whether this 1, 2, 5, 8, 9, 15 is example of arithmetic progression or not. In same way we took width same but length is different. Length is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter and 15 centimeter. We observe that difference between these two successive strips is 1 centimeter. Between these two successive strips there is difference of 3 centimeter. Between these two successive strips there is difference of 3 centimeter, and between this 1 centimeter and between these two strips there is difference of 6 centimeter. So we observe that there is no common difference between these strips. So we can say that it is not an example of arithmetic progression. So we conclude that how to check whether it is an example of arithmetic progression or not by paper cutting and pasting method. Thank you.